No talk, guys. So by the time you seen this, it have officially been a year since Euphoria had dropped. And on here, we're going to talk about how I feel about it back then and how I feel about it now. Let's talk about it. Okay, so when you listen to the opening part of the song, it sounds like an opening to a play. Am I the only one who caught that? Also, down the line, I found out that like some of these bars are actually meant for J. Cole, not solely for Drake. The title of the diss track and the cover art of the diss track is just disrespect within itself. Oh my goodness. Don't tell no lie about me. I won't tell the truth about you within the Kendrick Lamar Heart Part 5, which was a great callback to this track. Oh God, all that nigga been doing after this rap beat, it have been lying his ass off. Easily the best part of the verse. This bar tell you why he would feature on Playboi Carti. Not gonna lie, this was one hell of a warning shot.